What's up? It's Zane. I wanted to follow up with a brief video I made a few days ago called Why Law School Can Be a Piece of Cake, right? Or Why Law School is a Piece of Cake, even for you. So I wanted to follow up and say that yes, law school can be a piece of cake, but you have to be willing to put in that work. You got to work smart to make it a piece of cake. Don't work hard in law school. You don't work hard in law school. Anybody that works hard in law school is going to be worn out, is going to be tired, and is just going to be constantly under stress because they're gunning. They're gunning too hard. They're doing things they aren't supposed to be doing, such as attending every tutorial session, meeting with 2Ls, 3Ls that they don't really need to meet with because the 2Ls, 3Ls will end up giving them supplements that you should already have, that you should spend your money on buying, right? And I've said this in my previous videos before. You should always buy commercial outlines and commercial supplements and always stick to that. That's all you need to get through law school. And your casebook. You don't need to read the casebook. You just skim it to get the reasoning, the dicta, the dissenting view, the plurality opinion, right? And the reasoning from the dicta. You get that because you want to be able to go into your exam and write, compare and contrast the dissenting views with the majority opinion because you want extra points. You don't have to do that. As long as you know the black letter law, you'll be good. But if you want that A plus instead of that A, you do that, right? So I wanted to get back to that point that yes, law school can be easy if you work smart, right? You got to learn to work smart, not hard. Don't read every case. Don't case brief every case. I know sometimes you'll have to case brief depending on that professor because that professor might collect case briefs or look at your case brief and see if you case brief. If you are going to case brief, guys, use something like Quimby. They have a case brief. Copy and paste that onto your case brief. Word it in your own opinion, though. So it's you did something. But the main thing is, as long as you're using something like Quimby, which is also a commercial prep, that's Quimby, Quimbee. And again, I'm not sponsored by Quimby or anything. You get the rule of law, you get the facts, you get the reasoning, you write that down in your case brief, and you move on. You don't spend hours and hours analyzing a case and doing all of that. You got to learn to work smart and get through law school. Okay? You got to learn to work smart. People that work smart usually end up in the top of their class. People that work hard also may end up in the top of their class, but they're going to be so worn out, so tired that they're like, screw this shit. Screw this. They get so tired, they don't have any energy. They're walking around almost looking like they don't have a soul anymore. So guys, learn to work smart, not hard. Okay? Anybody tells you law school is hard or you have to work hard, don't listen to them. Okay? Yes, law school is hard. Yes, law school is hard. But it's only hard if you work hard. What I'm saying is law school is pretty straightforward if you work smart. Granted, it's still going to be hard. It's still going to be hard because it's 3 years. You're figuring out how to work smart. You're figuring out what supplements work for you. And you're going to have distractors. You have people that distract you. So stick to yourself. Stick to what I'm telling you. What I'm telling you works, guys. Okay? What I'm telling you works. Don't listen to anybody else. Okay? What I'm telling you works. Do what I'm telling you and you'll be alright. Buy supplements, stick to those supplements, read those supplements, and attend class. I'm not telling you not to attend class. Attend your classes, take notes in those classes because as long as you read your supplements and the commercial outlines, the professor will be focused mostly on the reasoning and the case law behind that case. And when you take notes on that class without reading your casebook or anything, you can add that to your outline and be better prepared for the exam. All right? So, like I said, guys, work smart, not hard. Law school can be straightforward if you work smart. If you end up working hard, law school is going to be hard as hell. Law school is already hard, but you can make it not that hard and make it relatively straightforward, like a piece of cake, pretty much, if you work smart. All right? So that's all I wanted to say, guys. Peace. I'm out.